inside.
Shut off the valves inside. Yep.
But I'm not going to open up those caps yet, so I'm just going to shut it off and I'll come back in. We can open these up and take this out.
So just take off those two lug nuts.
Yep. And so now anything here is going to be drained out through there.
Right,
And we
because
can
it's
leave-
level.
Yep. And we can leave this off.
So when I readjust this,
Yep.
I will put on new tape.
Yep. And you can get some right at Home Depot or
What do you call it?
wherever. It's Teflon tape.
Teflon tape?
Yep.
Okay. So close the two orange latches, shut off the water. What do you call those things you're unscrewing?
Well, they're vent caps. So
Taking off the vent caps.
yeah. Catch the water with this. Say for some reason the ball valve failed. If it's closed, you'll never know it. If it's open, things will start dripping. And you'll be like, "What's going on here?"
Yeah.
Valves are closed, but there's water coming out. And then you can about 2 clicks per second. It's typically where you want it.